The controversial Islamic cleric Sheik Gumi has called for Muslims to protest against the bad government of Ahmed Tinubu. He said that Tinubu, Buhari, Sheik and others protested against Goodluck Jonathan, that there is nothing that will stop them not to protest against Tinubu. The first thing that came to my mind when I saw the news was, I thought protest is a haram. So protest is no longer a haram, right? I think we are going to learn in a hard way in this country. Yes, when we are ready, when we are tired, nobody will tell us that this country is not working. Nobody will tell us to fix this country. Nobody will tell us to return this country to regional government, or nobody will tell us to divide this country. When this country is done with everyone, everyone will continue to speak up. Everyone will continue to participate in what will benefit everyone, not the personal gain that has kept us in this manner. But before we go into the details of what he said, the Bayelsa State Governor is crying out. He says that the Tinubu's administration has not done much in infrastructural development. He said this because of the bad road that is leading to his way.
I think the best word I can use from my head now is that of chaos. It's chaotic, it's sympathetic, it is indeed unbelievable. It's so incredible that this is happening to an oil-producing area that lays the golden egg for our country. It's unbelievable.
What should be the way forward from here?
Well, the way forward will be that the federal government should now realize that an urgent step must be taken now. Now and now. And let me recall that this happened in 2022, the flood of 2022, where one of the Buhari ministers labeled Bayelsa State as one of the states that was not even counted among the 10 most affected flood states in Nigeria. And it was that same flood that the United Nations representative came to Bayelsa State and described that flood as monumental and next only to the flood in Pakistan, where Buhari and his government went to donate monies in Pakistan and abandoned Bayelsa and abandoned the people of the Niger Delta. And that is what is going on and has continued up until today. This same flood rocked the state of Bayelsa. The road leading to our premier university, the Niger Delta University, was broken into 3. And all of you here, pressmen, you know the actions that have been taken by me and my government. The road we have from Sagbama to Ekiremo was broken into 2, just like this. And you're also aware of the actions that we have taken. The road from Opokuma down to Sabagria was broken again into 3. And all of this was the same flood of 2022. How come that a Bayelsa state government with meager resources will be able to repair their own roads and this major highway, a very important infrastructure, road infrastructure that links the south to the east, to the west of the southern part of Nigeria, is abandoned by the federal government of Nigeria? Why? Why? What have we done to deserve this suffering? People have been here for 1 week, 2 weeks. What have we done? I am pained. I would have flown by air to Port Harcourt, but I wanted to feel what my people are feeling. And those of us who are in power, who move around with police, army, who has all the money to fly, one day you will come and face these people. I put a call across to the Honorable Minister of Works, just 2 days ago. I got these reports from very high personnel who visited me from Port Harcourt. And now they spent 4 hours on this road. And so I put a call across to the Honorable Minister. The Honorable Minister put a conference call to the contractor. And the contractor claimed that it was because of the impatience of the drivers that the road is blocked. Now I am here to confirm that the contractor was lying, that there was nothing like impatience on the part of the drivers. And there was no plan while they were reconstructing this road, that one part of the road be prepared for vehicles to pass while they work on the other part. There was no plan. The contractor had no plan, and that is why our people are suffering. I appreciate the concern of the Honorable Minister, who immediately put a conference call with me and him and the contractor. I hereby call on the Honorable Minister to either sack the contractor or tell the contractor to now do the needful to assuage the suffering of our people. The President meant well to have done and awarded the coastal road. And as governors of the South-South, we appreciated Mr. President. However, the existing road must not be abandoned. This road is the only road that links all the South-South states. It's the only road that links us to the eastern part of Nigeria. It's the only road that links us to the west of Nigeria. And may I use this opportunity to once again appeal to Mr. President that he should call all relevant personnel about this road now and now to ensure that our people will have some respite. Possibly, send the Minister of Works down to what is happening here. Let him come and see by himself. He shouldn't stay in Abuja and get reports from his contractor. Come and see the people that are suffering here as a result of lack of plan on the reconstruction of this road. I am pained. I don't mean any insult. I am speaking from my heart as governor of Bayelsa State and as a Nigerian who sees other Nigerians and people of my region suffering. Thank you.
With the flood,
the company lacked the expertise to handle such a major contract in the Niger.
I am not the engineer as to know whether the company lacks whatever they don't have or they have. But what I've seen for myself is that the work going on here, one, is too slow. Two, there was no plan. In fact, the number one thing is that there was no plan. We have done a similar work in Bayelsa, and we provided a way for vehicles to be passing.
This article is from Shara Reporters. It says, it reads, Islamic Cleric Sheik Gumi calls for peaceful protest over hardship under Tinubu government, says Buhari orders APC Chieftains protested against ex-Goodluck Jonathan. And the article reads, controversial Islamic cleric Sheik Dr. Almhed Gumi has urged Nigerians to engage in peaceful protest as a means of conveying their grievances to the government, emphasizing the protests are a crucial tool for driving change. In a video clip seen by Shara reporter, Sheik Gumi emphasized the importance of the peaceful demonstration, while cautioning against the use of violence or incitement. He said, politicians are very stubborn. It is mass protests that only disturb them. Addressing concerns over comparison with past protests in countries like Sudan, Lebanon, Liberia, Sheik Gumi highlighted Nigeria's unique diversity. In Sudan and Liberia, the conflicts were like family feuds, which are very dangerous, but Nigeria is different, with diverse ethnicities, religion and culture, tribes and sects. He explained nothing internal tensions even within religious sects like the Izanda in Nigeria. Sheik Gumi expressed optimism that peaceful protests will convey the public's demand for good governance and development. He said protest is the only language the government understands. He asserted urging authorities to heed to the cause to reform and improvement. Well, for me, I'm not against anyone who wants to protest. I'm not against anyone who don't want to protest. But what I'm saying is that people should be stable in this country. People should be stable. A lot of people are making U-turn, Today you will say protest is a haram. Tomorrow you ask people to go and protest. But you know one thing that gladdens my heart? Everybody in this country will be hit by Nigeria's effect. Everyone, including the governor, everyone will be hit by this country's effect. If Nigeria happens to you, no one will tell you to get to the street.